These clients called from North Carolina. They said, we're moving to Denver, we just purchased a home. We need you to renovate it, furnish it, and get it ready for the family to arrive. So that was a very full cycle, full scope project for us that we really enjoy, because when we start, we have the ability to take the projects from zero, design it, then execute it, go through the process of all the construction and installation, always with the final vision in mind. Okay, so that's something that we really enjoy, because we're able to take the holistic approach and make sure that everything comes together and everything, the client's vision comes to reality at the end of the day. In this project, we took the keys of the house. It's a big responsibility, but we really enjoy it, because for us, it means a lot that clients from out of state really trust our services and our team. We pretty much renovated the main spaces for the home. We refreshed paint throughout. We redesigned office, powder, formal dining, living room, kitchen, as well as master suite. So always our designs are, the intersection of the style as well as the function. So that's something that we really believe, and we really, make sure that they're all tied up together. For these clients, they're a family with young kids, a dog. So usually our clients say, we want it beautiful, but we want it functional, and we want it to be a little bit of a carefree, relaxed. So we focus on finding pet-friendly materials, kids-friendly materials. So making sure that we're adding the right textures, the right fabrics, and the right materials, and also making sure that all these pieces are going to last for a while.